If you want to update your Visual Studio Code, this is the quick and easiest way to update Visual Studio Code to the latest version. To update VS Code, look at the menu bar. If you don't see Help menu, click on 3 dots and now you will find it there. Hover over Help, then click on Check for Updates. Go back to Help menu and you will see the status has changed to Downloading Updates with a small downloading label right here. That simply means the update is downloading in the background. If you hover over that downloading label, you'll actually see a progress bar showing you exactly how far along it is. Once the download is complete, the installation starts automatically. Just give it a moment to finish. When updates are installed, you'll need to restart your editor. So, click on blue Update button right here. VS Code will close and open again, and you'll see a message confirming that Visual Studio Code is now fully updated. This is the easiest way to check and update VS Code. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in next one.